This rattling sound is a common issue on the Mercedes-Benz C200 compressor. We see it on both the W203 and the W204. The rattling sound that's present at low revs but disappears at high revs is likely the timing chain tensioner. If you've already replaced it, double check that it was replaced and fitted correctly. Another thing you can check is your Venos or camshaft adjuster. If it's neither of those, it could be low oil pressure. Check your oil pump and make sure your car is filled with the right oil. There's also camshaft bearings, tappets, a crank pulley with a failed rubber damper on the inside, your water pump pulley, alternator bearing, and even the tensioner pulley. The rattling sound might not even be internal. It could just be a loose bracket, a heat shield, or a downpipe clamp. As you can see, there are many possibilities. Your best bet is to have a specialist look at it. If you'd like, you can bring your car down to our workshop and we'll gladly have a look. We specialize in Mercedes-Benz and work on other cars as well. Our workshop is RMI and NIWA approved. We offer you dealership level service without the dealership prices.